Upgrading your home should feel like a smart investment, not just in style, but in comfort, savings, and long-term value. For homeowners in McLean, replacing an old, inefficient door is one of the simplest ways to improve energy performance while enhancing everyday living. When you choose Door Replacement McLean services focused on energy efficiency, you gain more than a new look. You gain a home that feels better year-round and costs less to maintain. Why energy efficiency matters in McLean homes. McLean experiences hot, humid summers and chilly winters. That means your home's exterior doors work hard throughout the year. Older doors, especially those with worn seals, outdated materials, or poor insulation, can allow air leaks that force your HVAC system to work overtime. Even small gaps around the frame can let conditioned air escape and outdoor air seep inside. Energy-efficient door replacement McLean projects address these issues directly. Modern doors are designed with advanced materials and tighter construction to reduce drafts and prevent temperature transfer. The result is a more stable indoor climate and reduced strain on your heating and cooling systems. Lower energy bills. You can feel one of the biggest advantages of upgrading to energy-efficient doors is the potential for noticeable savings on utility bills. When air leakage is minimized, your HVAC system doesn't have to cycle as frequently to maintain your preferred temperature. Over time, that reduction in workload can lead to measurable cost savings. Homeowners who invest in Door Replacement McLean often report that rooms near entryways feel more comfortable. Instead of cold drafts in winter or heat creeping in during summer, you enjoy consistent temperatures throughout your home. That comfort translates directly into efficiency. Improved insulation technology. Today's energy-efficient doors are built with superior insulation. Fiberglass and insulated steel doors often feature foam cores that significantly reduce heat transfer. High-quality weather stripping and compression seals create a tight barrier against outdoor elements. When you schedule a professional door replacement McLean, you're not just swapping out a slab. You're upgrading to a complete system designed to block air leaks, resist moisture intrusion, and improve thermal performance. Many modern doors also include energy-efficient glass options, such as double or triple pane inserts with low emissivity coatings, further enhancing insulation. Enhanced comfort in every season. Energy efficiency isn't only about lowering bills, it's about improving daily life. Drafty doors can make entryways, hallways, and nearby living spaces uncomfortable. In winter, you might notice cold air pooling near the door. In summer, heat can radiate through outdated materials. With a properly installed Door Replacement McLean, those discomforts fade away. Your home feels cozier in winter and cooler in summer. You can enjoy sitting near your front or patio door without constantly adjusting the thermostat. Reduced environmental impact. Choosing energy-efficient upgrades is also a responsible choice for the environment. When your home consumes less energy for heating and cooling, it reduces overall energy demand. This means fewer greenhouse gas emissions associated with electricity production and fuel consumption. A well-planned Door Replacement McLean project contributes to a more sustainable home. Over the life of the door, the environmental benefits can be significant, especially when combined with other efficiency upgrades like improved windows and insulation. Increased home value. Energy efficiency is a major selling point in today's real estate market. Buyers in McLean are increasingly interested in homes that offer lower operating costs and modern upgrades. Installing energy-efficient doors can boost curb appeal while signaling that the home has been thoughtfully maintained. When potential buyers see a recent Door Replacement McLean, they recognize the value of updated materials, better insulation, and reduced maintenance concerns. This can make your property more competitive and attractive. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the most advanced door won't perform well without proper installation. Air gaps, uneven frames, or poorly sealed edges can undermine energy efficiency. That's why working with experienced professionals for your door replacement McLean is essential. A skilled installer ensures precise measurements, secure fitting, and proper sealing. This attention to detail maximizes performance and protects your investment for years to come. A smart upgrade for long-term benefits. Replacing your door may seem like a simple improvement, but the energy efficiency advantages are substantial. From lower energy bills and greater comfort to environmental responsibility and added home value, Door Replacement McLean offers benefits that extend far beyond aesthetics. If you're looking for a practical way to enhance your home's performance while enjoying immediate comfort, upgrading to an energy-efficient door is a decision you'll appreciate every day.